Ngayon po, papaano ang operasyon ng landfill sa inyo pong araw-araw na 600 tons ng basura?
Yeah, that is really a disaster bound to happen, sir. Kasi right now we are celebrating the festivities of the Sinulog. So talagang malalaki yung marami yung basura natin. So kagabi, sir, we talked with yung Department on Public Service, and then they were able to cascade naman sa lahat ng mga barangay, sa lahat ng mga private provider na to hold muna
Okay.
yung pag-throw nila sa basura kasi they might just create traffic congestion
Okay.
because the area is not talagang not operational, sir. Not
Sige.
operational
Of
talaga.
course, we
And then we're
understand.
talking for the longest time pa dito. And then this morning, sir, we're going to have an emergency meeting together with the mayor. The mayor is calling for it. And may mga fallback kami, may mga landfill na identify namin, yung
Okay.
mga other LGUs. At the same time, magtayo kami ng transfer station.
Okay, sige
Perhaps
po.
doon sa SRP para momentarily doon muna ilagay yung mga basura namin.
Okay. Ano po ang ginawa na ng Prime dito po sa pangyayaring ito so far as of yesterday na mangyari pong trahedya?
Well, so far they're also very cooperative, sir, in fairness to them. Last night, all of them were there, and then they gave us all the names of their employees, that more than 100, and then narrowed down to around 24.
Okay.
Around 22 yata
Opo.
yung sa directly hired from them, and then there are around 8 and 9 who are private contractors, no, nakadestino doon sa MRF nila na facilities.
Opo.
So
Sige, opo. And then,
they're very cooperative naman, sir.
Opo, thank you for that. Ngayon, gaano kalawak itong landfill na ito? Meron bang sa kaninyo, meron bang ibang areas, kumbaga dito sa Gumuho, sa kabilang banda ba ng bundok, meron ba din mga nakatira doon? Is there any danger for any...
Yeah.
Opo, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, there was a video shown last night, no? Kasi yung Gumuho, sir, right across is may mountain din, and then on top of the mountain may community tayo doon.
Opo.
So they're far naman, they are not let's say they are not in danger naman na baka they will be included in the crash, no. They're surrounding communities in the area, sir. And then
Pero wala bang community sa baba ng landfill?
wala. Pero mas malayo, sir. In fact, there is beside the landfill, there's a subdivision. And then the subdivision has around more than 100 lots, and then dalawa pa lang yung nakatira doon because of the smell of the
Yeah, of
constant complaint.
course. How can you
Of
sell?
course.
How can you sell a housing project kung katabi ka ng landfill, ano? Opo.
And then one thing also, sir, the subdivision is expanding. The subdivision is expanding, and then that's why I am investigating. It seems that this expansion is not meant for the subdivision. This expansion is meant for the expansion of the landfill.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami, hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!